Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib and I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/PMCLounge. If it's your first time here, we are all about PMP and project management. So consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you want more such free content. So here's some good news coming in from the PMI front. PMI, the Project Management Institute, is basically the makers of the PMP certification, and they have come up with a PMP exam simulator of their own. It contains 200 questions, just like the real exam, and these questions are actually taken from previous PMP exams. Very interesting. So over at PMCLounge.com, we always suggest that you must take at least a couple of PMP practice exams, the mock PMPs, before your original PMP exam. And this practice exam coming in from PMI itself should definitely be on top of your list. But there are a couple of caveats here. Number one is that this exam is currently in pilot mode, which is probably why it is free of cost and not available for purchase. Number two is that it is available for PMP candidates in India only, nowhere else, only in India. So the first link in the description is going to take you directly to the PMI webpage of this practice exam. So if you are a PMP aspirant from India, you can go ahead. What are you waiting for? Because I suspect this free simulator will not be there for too long. So that's all that we had in this video. I hope you got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more such free videos around PMP, around the project management concepts. And don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource.